So guys, I'm already done with my brows and I'm going to move on to my eyes first. New Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and this is a perfect palette to work with. Take this color right here, and I'm just going to tap off any excess because this does have a lot of fallout. So I'm going to just start applying it in my crease. We're going to build it up a little bit more and intensify the color, but just to create a little bit of a nicer canvas to the eyes, I'm just going to do this transition color because this is a perfect brown yellow tint. Color, I'm going to mix these two colors for my transition shade again, just to intensify the color a little bit more. Start placing it up in my crease and just start blending it up with the transition color which we had earlier. It's okay if the color goes up in your onto your brow bone, because we're gonna clean it up a little bit more. So it's fine that it goes up, because when you're doing a black smoky eye, what usually happens is that the black color tends to make your eyes look a little bit more smaller, and my eyes are already very small, so I want to accentuate the eyes a little bit more. So I'm taking my eyeshadow up till my brow bone. And with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same shade palette. I'm going to take this brown right here. So this is a very dark brown color. I'm just going to tap off. I'm not going to be tapping off a lot. I'm just going to place this directly from the outer corners to my inner corners. Also applying it on the lid as well. Once I'm happy with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Lakme Absolute Gel Liner, and this has a small brush to it, and with the same brush that it has, I'm just going to create a shape a little bit, and I'm not going to take a lot of colors because I'm just taking it up as a base part. What usually happens is that I use the black kajal pencil, but this time I'm going to use this gel liner. So I'm just going to be taking this. It does not have to create the shape. It's okay if you lose the pigment because you're going to apply black anyway. So, and just try to merge with the flat side of it. Just try to merge it with the crease color. These are very neutral colors. I should have used this color actually. So I'm going to take this black color right here. I'm just going to pack my brush ever so smoothly. I'm just going to pack all the black from it. And I'm just gonna place it up. So yeah, so once I'm happy with that, I like the way it's looking, I like the gradation of the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm 5-in-1 primer, conceal, foundation, compact, skin tone corrector primer, like a whole compact. This is a total makeover FF cream, and this has like all the different colors. So I'm just going to take like a orange tone. I'm just going to take this, warm it up on my fingers just a little bit. I'm just going to start placing it up on parts where I need a little bit of correction. I have a lot of pigmentation around my mouth, so I'm just going to conceal that. I think this is a perfect palette to carry around because this has concealer, corrector, everything. Just going to conceal right here. I like to do it with my fingers because it's quite easy for me to blend out the go with my foundation and my foundation and concealer. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Mocha. My L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm just gonna shake this baby up. This is in the shade B8W. Very wonderful foundation combination. I really like both of them. I think if you have both of them, you can definitely give it a try. I am a bit allergic. I feel I'm a bit allergic to Maybelline Fit Me foundation because whenever I apply it, I always have severe breakouts, up and down. So I'm gonna do that, and so I tend to stay away from that foundation now. So I'm gonna mix these babies up, and I'm gonna conceal just a little bit underneath my eyes. So I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and this is in the shade Dark Cocoa. This is a darker shade. I think I should have gotten a little bit one shade lighter because this is the exact. For my contour, I'm going to take my trusty Wet n Italy dry bronzer and contour. This is in the shade 333 or more. I'm just going to drag the color in. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to start blending it up. We're going to clean this up anyway, so it's totally fine. So I'm just going to, take this, tap off any excess because this has a lot of product to it. So I'm just gonna, apply it because I want my. So I'm gonna take this palette right here. I'm gonna take this color. So I'm just gonna highlight. This is a gorgeous highlight color, like highlighter. I think apply a little bit on of my nose. Right, I like to do that. I like to apply it on the center. So I'm gonna just do a little bit like right here. Not a lot because I don't want to complicate it with a lot of colors. This is a really nice trick if you wanna, just open up with your contour and if you just wanna, make your contour appear a little bit more stronger and a little bit more vibrant. I think take a sponge, take the side tip of it, just take a compact and just draw a line and just start blending it out. Done black. Now this is a very nice pigmented black kajal pencil. So I'm just gonna. Anyways, so I'm gonna take the same black shader brush which I was using. I'm just gonna start smoking my lower lash, and I'm not taking any more eyeshadows in it. I'm just gonna start slowly, So once I'm smoking it, I'm connecting this line right here with the the blending it up, like the upper crease color. So I'm just gonna start, connecting this to this, just so that it looks one. It does not look different, Don't create a space between this line because a lot of people do that mistake. I have done it personally. That's why I'm telling you. Curl my lashes and quickly apply some mascara. So taking my Glam Threesome mascara, and this is in the shade Goddess. रात के 10 बजे बच्चे बाहर कर क्या रहे हैं इनके? रात के 10 बजे भी चाहिए लोगों को. And I'm going to move on to my last step, which is the lipstick. So I'm going to use the NELF lip liner. I'm going to just line my lips with it, and I'm going to use the new liquid lipstick which I got, and I've been using quite a lot when I try to create like the nude lipsticks. This is the perfect shade for my skin tone. So this is the Polyglow Star Secret lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Heirloom Peach. This lipstick, I'm just gonna, create few shapes. And this is really lovely color. So also, just to finish off my look a little bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade 01 Gold Goddess. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if this video was helpful for you guys. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media. You can also write in the comment down below, and I'll have all my social media links in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, so until then, stay confident, keep missing me, keep loving me, and I will see you guys later. Bye!